Hey guys, what's up? I'm Donnie. Welcome back again sa aking channel. To this video, I'm going to review or unbox a Dragon Touch VISTA 5 action camera. Coming up. This item caught my attention dahil nga sa taas ng ratings. Okay. So dito is 12 megapixel yung camera, touchscreen, and 131 feet and Wi-Fi connectivity. Okay, and check natin guys. Okay. There you go. Natin ito. Okay, yan na. Accessories. Accessories nyo guys. Okay. Quick reference guide. Mounting, remote, charger, may dalawang battery, charging cable, okay, tie wrap, okay. Guys, and spare na back cover. Kasi ito yung pinaka waterproof case ng camera, maximum po is 131 feet, and kita nyo naman guys na napaka-premium ng dating ng casing. I'm sure naman hindi ito basta mapapasukan ng tubig. Sa likod ng camera guys is a 2-inch LCD screen for easy access sa mga menu, and also this side is the micro USB and micro HDMI, and also the SD card slot. Pwede po nyo yung gamitin guys ng up to 64 GB na memory. Okay, the lens is up to 170 degrees ang lawak ng kuha, and also the up and down adjustment settings. Ito sa pinakaas, ito po yung shutter button niya guys. Ganda rin ng build ng camera na to. Hindi siya yung mga pipitsuging plastic. Here you can attach your monopod or tripod. And battery slot. Battery niya is 1350 mAh. Dalawa po yung free. Up to 1 hour po ang 4K recording niya, and ang 1080p naman siya, sumabot siya ng 2 oras. So medyo mahaba-haba din yung recording niya. Super ganda ang build ng camera na to. Hindi siya yung mga pipitsuging plastic lang, and I'm sure na hindi kayo magsisisi if you bought this camera. Ang ganda po ng kuha niya. Ito guys yung top features ng Dragon Touch VISTA 5. By the way, Dragon Touch is a sister company po yan ng Akaso. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa unboxing natin sa reviews ng Dragon Touch Vista 5. Ito yung pinaka the best na alternative natin sa GoPro. Okay. Kita nyo naman sa video, ang ganda ng kuha. That is a 2K 60 frames per second. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell sa baba para makareceive kayo ng updates sa mga susunod kong reviews or mga unboxing videos. Okay? Thank you for your time guys, and see you again in my next video. Have a nice day.